one buys grey cars.
Yeah, boring cars, yeah, colours.
I like colour, yeah. No offence if you've got a grey car, but...
I've got a black one, but...
it's basically grey. Look in the car park. I mean, there's orange next door.
Yeah, you can just see it, yeah. Right, but yeah, I'm actually happy to see Adam C in person. I've seen all his videos, even the recent ones, so he's doing a fantastic job.
Thank you.
But yeah, subscribe to his channel, Adam C.
I'm here for filming cars and filming a car meet car show. That's what I do. So I'm going to film the auction inside today and walk around the shop.
Yeah, I hope you guys get entertained from both of our channels, and we'll catch you later.
Thank you.
Peace out.
One night we said, what is how do you best describe off-road motorsport? We came up with a bit that it's really, it's like the fourth dimension. So whether it's got the three dimensions, like racing, acceleration, we've got the fourth dimension, we've got the huge play and off-road.
This curve looks really big bang. You've got a puncture.
Yeah.
Same thing as this one. Is that the
curve?
Is that the curve coming off the gravel? Yeah. Just at the bottom of it. It's got a whole lot of time.
It's lunchtime right now, so in the next half an hour I'll go back again. और मज़े की बात यह है कि उन्होंने सर्किट भी चेंज किया है. जो सर्किट अभी आपने देखा है, जब मैं वापस जाऊँगा तो उन्हें चेंज किया होगा, तो काफ़ी बड़ा सर्किट होगा, गाड़ियाँ भी ज़्यादा होंगी. And these cars are about 50 years old, so very old classic cars are going to the rally. So I met Adam C, who is a very well-known YouTuber across the UK. Very entertaining person. और मैंने बात भी की उससे, and I'm sure you must have seen a video of me and Adam C together. Let's have a break and I'll see you later.